such a wonderful school, a great opportunity for educators to experiment on these highly talented kids, and we can make them to do great things, and we can change the world. The kids are very, very smart, so it's a great opportunity to take these young minds to next level. That's what igebra, we're working with RobArt, very creative coding, so that they can even connect to Silicon Valley, anywhere in the world. Because with the mind, we can make great things. And our team is here, and they're going to join us.
What is this creative coding? We let them program mathematical shapes, patterns, and even animations.
I think coding is very important for students to learn because it's a basic skills that they need to have in this rapidly advancing technological world. And if they have this basic coding skills, they can also develop problem-solving skills and critical thinking skills.
It is really interesting that how these kids can explore new things about coding, and as they don't have much of exposure, so they are very much curious to learn all these new things. So I'm super excited, and let's see what here we will do.
Team igebra.ai had a great opportunity to conduct a RobArt workshop at Zilla Parishad High School, Shamshabad on 4th January 2023. The workshop was organized in collaboration with the GMR Varalakshmi Foundation. The mission is to bring technology education to underserved communities, and creative coding is an excellent way to take these young minds to the next level. By providing creative coding education, we can help give kids the skills they need to succeed and make a difference in this world. As soon as we walked into the classroom, we were greeted with a room full of excited faces.
You know the pi? Pi is a mathematical symbol.
Yes, sir.
Like inspired. It's a robot. What is the idea? Turn your ideas. Yeah. Okay. Take these kids. This is a house. This is a house. This is an idea. You want to make it into reality before you build the house. First, we need to design this. Right? Do you see any math in it?
Yes.
Tell me, what is that?
Triangle.
There is a triangle here.
Yes, sir.
There is a square here. There is another square here. This is also square. This is also square. We think this is a rectangle. This is a square. This is a map.
The students were all very eager to learn, and it was clear that they had a lot of curiosity and enthusiasm. Mr. Srini Vemula, the founder and Math++ guru of igebra.ai, started off with a basic introduction to coding and how beautifully math, art, and coding are correlated, and then moved on to building simple mathematical shapes and patterns.
To turn your ideas into this one, for that there is a logic. So today we'll take an idea, then we apply logic. We will not draw. We will tell to computer, do this. Then computer will do for us. Is that hexagon?
Yes.
Can someone count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Awesome. See, all these things you can create using the code. You like it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
In addition to the technical skills, Mr. Srini tried to impart some life lessons to the students. He encouraged them to be persistent and to never give up even when things get tough.
Is it free?
No, sir.
So you are paying for it.
Yes, sir.
Somebody created this, correct?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. Think you need to create useful things. Then somebody will buy. But it's not free. Give money. Correct? That is how it works.
The whole team was truly amazed by how the students were able to grasp new concepts quickly and were not afraid to try new things. It was also heartening to see how much they enjoyed the workshop. They were having fun while learning, and that made the whole experience very rewarding.